Stolzberg here at Uncle Giuseppe's Marketplace with Frankie. And we're gonna make something so delicious. What are we doing?
It's summertime. We're gonna make a blueberry crisp.
Let's do
so
it.
we're gonna start with our lemon. We're gonna sizzle up, put our salt, sugar in, a little cornstarch.
To thicken it up.
Yeah,
See?
and some lemon zest.
I know some stuff.
Once we get this all jelly, now we're just gonna add our blueberries and make it cook down a little bit. Now we're just gonna wait this becomes a nice jam. So we're gonna get this now and put it right into our 8x8 buttered pan. So now we're gonna start our crumbs part. Brown sugar, butter, a little cinnamon, and the flour. All right, Lily, you know the deal. Step back.
Crazy Frankie's about to let it go.
And now what we do is we put the blueberries into the pan. This is our crumb.
Oh, nice.
Okay, I'm just gonna pop it on top, and we're gonna blow in the oven for 25 minutes at 365 degrees. So here it is, Lil.
Oh, wow.
Nice and fresh, hot out of the oven.
I love it. It got all crispy.
We're gonna grab some blueberries, put it on top,
Perfect.
and we're done.
Oh,
Blueberry crisp.
that could not have been easier.
Yeah.
So go ahead, head to our website, newshelf.com, and try it. Amazing. Let's eat it. Thanks,
let's go.
Frankie.